How to make carousel post on Instagram. Hello everyone, I am Bishatha and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. In order to create a carousel post on Instagram, go ahead and open the Instagram application on your device and then tap on the plus icon on the top left of your screen. Here, make sure to select the post option you see there, and now you will see the option for select. This particular option allows you to add up to 20 photos or videos in one post from your Instagram. So go ahead and choose the photos and videos that you want to add as carousel post and then tap on the next option on the top right of your screen once you are done adding in the pictures and videos. Further, in this particular interface, you can go ahead and make changes such as adding in the music or adding in text or overlays or adding in filters, or you can also edit individual pictures. Once you are done making the required changes, tap on next and then go ahead and add in a very catchy caption, and then finally tap on the share button and wait for the upload to be completed. Once the upload is completed, you will see it in your profile as a carousel post. So this was about how you can make a carousel post on Instagram. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.